Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic compact cars on the road, the 2025 Honda Civic. Known for its reliability, efficiency, and surprising performance, the Civic is back and better than ever. Whether you're a first-time buyer or a long-time Honda fan, the 2025 model offers some fresh upgrades that are definitely worth checking out. Let's break it down. Body panels. The 2025 Civic carries forward a sleek, sporty look but with more sculpted body panels that improve both aerodynamics and aesthetics. The panels feature subtle creases that run along the sides, giving the car a more dynamic and aggressive stance. Lightweight materials improve fuel economy while maintaining structural integrity for safety and durability. The Civic's refined silhouette isn't just about looking good, it enhances airflow and efficiency on the move. Headlights. Up front, the Civic is fitted with slim, modern LED headlights that offer improved visibility and a sharp, clean appearance. Automatic high beams come standard, adjusting the light based on traffic conditions. These headlights aren't just stylish, they're functional, ensuring you see more of the road ahead without blinding others. Taillights. Around the back, the C-shaped LED taillights are now more refined, offering a signature look that's instantly recognizable. They're designed for optimal brightness and visibility, ensuring you're clearly seen by other drivers, especially in low light conditions. The wraparound design also enhances the Civic's wide, planted appearance from the rear. Grille. The front grille on the 2025 Civic is wider and lower, giving the car a bolder, more assertive face. Black mesh detailing adds a sporty touch, while active shutter technology helps manage airflow for better efficiency at highway speeds. It's not just about style, this grille works with the entire front end to optimize performance and cooling. Seats. Inside, the Civic continues to impress with ergonomically designed seats that offer support for long drives and daily commutes alike. Cloth upholstery is standard, but higher trims feature premium leather with contrast stitching. Front seats are heated, and the driver's seat is available with 8-way power adjustability for enhanced comfort and customization. Dashboard. The dashboard design is clean and modern, inspired by minimalism and functionality. It features a horizontal layout that gives the cabin a wide-open feel, with high-quality materials and soft-touch surfaces throughout. A honeycomb mesh trim not only adds visual flair but also hides the air vents for a sleek, uninterrupted design line. Infotainment system. The Civic is equipped with a responsive 7-inch or optional 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system. It includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth, and voice command capability. The interface is intuitive, with large icons and fast navigation. Higher trims also include a Bose premium audio system that brings rich, clear sound throughout the cabin. Steering wheel. The steering wheel is wrapped in leather in higher trims, with mounted controls for audio, phone, and cruise settings. It's designed to offer a solid grip and excellent feedback for a connected driving experience. In models with Honda Sensing, it also includes buttons to easily manage adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. Engine. Under the hood, the base Civic features a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine that produces 158 horsepower, while upgraded models include a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine pushing out 180 horsepower. Both are mated to a continuously variable transmission, CVT, offering a smooth, efficient ride. Fuel economy is strong across the board, with up to 42 mpg on the highway, making it a great choice for commuters. Hybrid option. For the first time in the Civic lineup, Honda is introducing a 48-volt mild hybrid system in select markets. This setup enhances fuel economy while providing smoother acceleration and regenerative braking. It's a great step toward electrification without sacrificing the Civic's signature driving dynamics. Airbags. Safety has always been a Civic hallmark, and the 2025 model doesn't disappoint. It includes 10 standard airbags, including front, side, curtain, and even rear seat airbags. Honda's ACE, Advanced Compatibility Engineering, body structure works in conjunction with these systems to maximize occupant protection in a collision. Parking assist. When it comes to maneuvering in tight spaces, the Civic is equipped with a multi-angle rear-view camera with dynamic guidelines and available front and rear parking sensors. Higher trims also offer Honda's low-speed braking control, which can apply the brakes if it detects an obstacle when parking, a great feature for urban driving in tight garages. Price. The 2025 Honda Civic starts at around $24,000 for the base LX trim and goes up to about $30,000 for fully loaded touring trims. With its blend of performance, technology, safety, and style, the Civic remains a top value pick in the compact segment. And there you have it, at a full breakdown of the 2025 Honda Civic. It's practical, stylish, efficient, and packed with tech that makes driving more enjoyable and safer than ever. Whether you're upgrading your daily driver or buying your first car, the Civic is a smart and reliable choice. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more car content coming your way. Got questions about the new Civic or want to compare it to another model? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.